Another video. So we're gonna do chapter 2 and chapter 3 today. So I'm gonna start. In the other video I did the first and a little bit of the second, but now I'm doing the second because I have searched up and now I know what to do. We crashed. Open. I need to open a door. Yay. No. Ugh. She ran outside. Now I need to follow the bunny. How did that door just appear there? That door wasn't even there before. I don't know. Okay, but I have found this was the one that I just didn't find last time. So now I just need to find all of the notes, the piano notes. I struggled really to find all of this, but I found them. Oh, Ella, baby in yellow. And I play piano. Okay. Let's see how good I am. Okay. It was secret portal. Okay, now I'm going in here. It's a breakthrough. I'm gonna break through with this. Okay. What? Oh, it's because of this one. I didn't see that. Why do I walk so slow? Oh, that scared me. Nope, you're not getting this. You can just go listen to that thing. I guess I'm playing with it on full sound, so yeah. Then I'm coming there with all the power out. Now I need to do this the door here works. And now the baby's gonna give me a jump scare. Oh, I hate jump scares. You guys can see now is no door here. But when the baby scares me, there is like a door there. You guys get ready to jump scare? Yep. That's the jump scare. Like I didn't want to scare you guys. Now there's just a door here. Okay, so now I know like where the things is. The power pin. So take a coin, then I have to put it in here. Then I have to enter a code C2. Then it comes out a battery. Then I can put that battery inside of here. Then the baby's gonna come, and then I need to find the code. And I know what the code is. And it's 4317, I think. I need to put that code in. Yeah, 4317. Then I need to put that code here. 4317. So now the door is open, then I can put the baby in there one time. Then I need to put this bro. You're gonna be put inside of here. It was the pink bro. Why is it always the pink one? Okay, so first a coin. C2. Then I just need to bro, what? What? Bro, this. I think I need to do it again. C2. Here it came one out. Okay, now I can just go in here, sit down, and I can do this. Power restored. I can just get out of here. And I don't know what to do after this, so nope. Oh, I know what happened now. Oh, hello, baby. Okay, guys, now we have to run. Guys, I'll just tell you guys what happens when the baby catches up. I'll just show you guys what happens when the baby catches up. And that happens. Guys, now it's starting. Just right into the game. Bro, I hate that bunny. So it's a blue circle. Blue circle. Yes, that's a yellow key. Now I have to do this again. Bro. Okay, here it goes. It's like that blue. This is my cooked now. My little cooked bro bunny. Okay. The exit. Don't leave me alone. Stay here forever. Stay here. Stay forever. Bro. Come on. This is a different house. Well, the house is upside down. Wait, there's another one upside down. This house is upside down. Bro. To the changing. Okay, I was gonna put the baby. Bro. Just kidding. Again? How hungry is this baby? Just escape this house now. Oh, and what is Pinky doing here? I don't know. My hands. Give back to baby. I need to stay there, alright? I think I have to put the nappy down again. Then I have to pick up the baby. Then I have to put him back to the changing mat. I mean. Then I can change him. Bro! Can just listen to me. Okay. He's going upstairs again. How do I do this? You guys, can you tell me in the comments how I'm going to do this? Because I have no idea. I have no idea. Kidding, guys, just please tell me in the comments how I'm going to do this. Yes, and I already did that. He's here. Okay, now I'm just gonna leave. But guys, how do I do this? Okay, guys, I'm going to do this one last time. Bro, how do I do this? I'm really tired of it. And guys, please just tell me in the comments how guys are doing this. Bro, you're a stinky baby. And the cookie there, okay. Now I'm tired of you, baby. Alright? Now you have done enough. Okay, I guess I'm just going to restart the game because I couldn't pick up the baby. The exit, don't leave me alone. Stay here for no, I need to start. No, I don't need to start from the Pikmin. Okay. Okay, finally. It's waiting for something. What does this pink? Maybe I can do something else.
Parents, stop stressing about.
Okay, so now it's going to happen something. I think it's gonna be a jump scare. Okay, I'm gonna see what's in here. And there's the pink too. I'm gonna use that. The pink thing was downstairs. Okay, I just need to search for the pink thing. The pink key. No, it's broken. No. How did it break? I think the baby did that because he didn't want me to escape. Bro, why do you always have to interrupt me every time, bro? Can I just escape through the elevator? Yes, I'm out. Peace. Peace, I'm out. Okay. Oh yeah, now I can. I am out. I'm leaving you. Okay. He's a tiny boy. I need to find a bed so I can sleep in. What? Locked. 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 Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. Guys. Okay, finally. I'm gonna pick up this cat. Can I leave now? Into bed, alright. Locked. 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 Bro, why? I have put him to sleep. Okay, fine, I'm back. I have put him to... I have to get to sleep. Bro. Okay. I'm gonna try again. If I need to go to sleep, alright? You need to go to sleep. Bro. How do I do this? I have no idea. Wait, but if I just ignore him? Wait. Bro. do this. This block. Get out, 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 get out. Bye-bye. Bro. No. Bro, okay. Do I need to go through here? It's been so long since I've played this. Or do I need to go where do I go? Bro, how do I do this? There's my arms. Wait. Oh. Do I need to go somewhere else, or what do I need to do? What do I need to do? I think I walk like... Bro, I just walk like that all the time. Maybe I just do. Because now it's... What happened? Hello? I don't know what happened. Oh. Okay, finally. Again. Okay. the wood. I'm out of here. How about this is just on the way. I need to go. Bro, which way am I supposed to go? Guys, I think that is the end because I don't know how to do this. I'll try it one last time. Just one last time because I don't know how to do this, bro. So it's 2 ways. Yeah, this is impossible. I don't know how to do this, bro. Yeah, I guess I think that's the end. So bye.